Hey YouTube, today we're going to be working on the 97 Boxster, and what we're going to do is we're going to replace these mirrors. As you can see, I tried to replace the cover on this side. I don't like the way it's sitting down on top of it. They're lightly cracked in both spots. There's cracks there, so I'm just going to change the mirrors outright. Okay, to pop the mirrors out, there's little clips like right here and here, and then these just kind of go on the bottom. So they're on the top, they're basically here and here. And these popped out. These were broken from when I did the original one. I tried to glue it, didn't. I tried to glue this, it really wasn't holding. So figured it'd just be easier to get a new one. What they do is they slide in here and then they push back. I hope. If they fit. That's that. So not a crazy kind of thing, but looks a lot better. They are all the way down the way they're supposed to be. They're not cracked. Make sure they're all pushed in. These ran $45 on eBay. I mean, a big difference between that and that. I mean, it just looks the way it's supposed to look. And as I said, I did this cover, and I didn't like the way they sat down. Although they're not bad, they just don't sit all the way down flush like these do. And what you had to do, because my tab was broken, I actually had to cut it out and drill it and just, you know, I guess if the tabs were good on both sides, it'd been nothing. But as I said, it's broken here, so, and it was broken on the clip, so I figured it'd be better off to just replace it. Try getting the second one out. See, this one's broken too. They were supposed to give you a tool with the stupid mirror, but they didn't. Right. I don't care if I break it either. I just don't break the I think I have to get in a better position. So again, they kind of just clip. Kind of just line them up, I guess. Behind there, just push in. Don't feel it. That didn't pop back out, did it? I don't feel like it. Hold it. That's where they sit. There you go. So that's doing both of them. When I pulled this one out, it really kind of broke. The clips just, I don't know what it was, this clip over here, because this is where it attaches on. I don't know, but that's just it. That's it. I mean, it's in. Make sure they're all the way in. Can't tell if that needs to be deeper. It feels like it just keeps popping out, doesn't it?
No, it looks like it's in.
Okay. Okay. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I don't really use the mirrors, but I think it looks better when they have covers on them, you know. So just as well. Alright YouTube, thanks for watching that video, although this is very quick because it's a very easy thing to do. For $45 a mirror, it's well worth it, just so that they all sit nice, and you know, and then obviously if you leave it out, the plastic will melt, so it folds even better. So again, like and subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and continue to watch our channel for other projects on the Porsche. The Mustang, we're going to be swapping that over to a stick. I don't know what else we're working on. So for right now, I think the Mustang's going to be our next project.